welcome to my channel Himanshi's Heavenly Hacks. So today I've got your review of face wash which is from the brand Wow Skin Science, and I just wanted to try my hands on the one face wash which is quite famous out there, and lots of YouTubers have also shown interest in that. It is their apple cider vinegar foaming face wash. So this is very famous because of the packaging and how the brush and all we have given out here, and reason why I'm sitting here and reviewing this product for you, so that if at all you guys are interested and if at all my review is helpful somewhere, you can also purchase this and use it on your face. So in the going forward in this video, I will let you know how did I like this, what are the prices, what are the ingredients we have out here, and why should we choose this. This is how it looks. As I mentioned to you, this is quite different. If you see this bottle packaging, this is how it is, and you can see the cap out here to remove. And if you see here, you get some brushes. I feel this is made up of silicone and this is quite smooth on your face. This is not at all harsh, and when you try to just put it all over, it just does the job of cleaning your face very well as face wash. So let's see what all we have in this. They say that this is got apple cider vinegar. It is also got organic Himalayan apple cider vinegar, aloe vera extract. Then it has vitamin B5 and vitamin E, which sounds great. They also say that it has got no paraben, no silicone and no sulfate. This is dermatologically tested. They say that this helps to clarify your face. That if you have at all a problem of blackheads or whiteheads, this works really well. Guys, personally, if I tell you that I had problem of blackheads in between, so I just thought of trying some product which I can just get rid of my blackheads, and I chose this one and it did the job. Honestly, I'm telling you, I've been using this like more than a month, and it is treating my blackheads, and also it is helped to reduce the pores. However, I am using different products for my pores issues, but for specifically for blackheads, this worked well. So before getting ahead and letting you know how this works on face and how to use, I just wanted to discuss about the price range of this. MRP for this is 399 rupees, and on this I purchased this from Nykaa and I got 100 rupees off because I had coin over there. However, if you do not use Nykaa and you don't have coin, even though you can get discounts on Wow Cosmetics, not even on Nykaa, it is also available on Myntra, Amazon and Flipkart. So if you wanted a good discount, you can also choose out there, so that you can get discount and you can buy this even cheaper. Maybe I think some of you may feel that the price range is little high, but once you use this works very well. So the ingredient what we got out here are quite natural, so you won't be disappointed. As like me, I'm not disappointed with this product at all, and I feel that you should surely give it a shot if you have a problem of pores, clogged pores, open pores, or small pores, large pores. You can use that, and it is best if you have whiteheads or blackheads. So you can invest in this, and if you get a good discount and all, then surely, and it is quite handy and very good to use. So now allow me to tell you how to use this. So before I could start, I just wanted to read the instructions for you how to use this. They say that wet your face and neck. Pump tiny amount of Wow Skin Science apple cider vinegar foaming face wash all over the face and neck. Gently massage this foamy cleanser into damp skin with the brush. Use small circular strokes all over at least for 2 minutes. Wash off with plenty of water. Pat dry and perfect for daily use. So let's just try out. So okay guys, so I had makeup on since I was shooting for some other video too. So I just got rid of that makeup, and then I just got my face wet as they suggested on the packaging. Now I'm taking the face wash from Wow Skin Science, just taking this outer packaging off, and then what I'll do, you can see these are so soft, you guys. These are very, very soft. So just do like this. You can see how it comes off little more, and I'm just putting it out here. Even the smell is very good. The vinegar light, it smells little weird, but this is not weird. This is very nice smell, and I just enjoy this smell. So what you have to do, you have to just scrub it like this, and the scrub part what the brush they have given, it's really nice. This is not disturbing at all, so you can use it. I feel like sleeping and I just love this massage. I feel that, you know, I just pump some more. So I think you can see the dirt is coming off, even the makeup is coming off. So I'll just push a little more. Yeah, like this. Wherever possible you wanted to, just massage it for 2 minutes they said, or maybe less than 2 minutes would be fine. I'll tell you the smell. The smell is little bit like apple cider vinegar, but more like some perfume smell, and the smell is really good. So what I'll do, I feel like this is so much is done. Now I just wanted to wash my face. So I just washed my face, and you can see my face is all clean. I have no makeup, I have no dirt on, and this really has cleansed my face. So overall I'm happy with this product, and I really like this sponge they have given, guys. This is extremely good. This gives you a good massage to your face, and you can surely enjoy this. I feel the ingredients also what they have used is quite soft. It leaves my face very soft and moisturized. So maybe, you know, after that I can use any good moisturizer, or if I leave it like that also for quite some time, then there is no harm. All in all, I like this face wash. When it comes to my verdict, I like the product a lot, and I would surely repurchase this product once this finished in, because it really worked well on my blackheads issue. So if you are someone having the same issue, I would suggest you to buy this and use this for a month or two, so that, you know, you can notice the difference and it just works for you. I also hope that this video was definitely somewhere helpful to you, and you got some information out of it. If you could relate with me, then you can surely give it a shot to this product. And that's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If at all you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye.